Welcome to Research 101 series, where we talk everything about the basics for research. In this short presentation, I focus on how to choose a dissertation topic. It could be a dissertation or any research project. Choosing a dissertation topic can be challenging because you want to do something that you really like, at the same time addressing some important issues in your field. It has to be something that you can do and also feasible to carry out within a specified period of time. So it's important to choose a topic, then evaluate the ideas so that you are sure that whatever you're going to be doing, it's something that you can manage, is something that is feasible, and it's something that is relevant to your field. So as you choose your research topic or your topic for your dissertation or your thesis or any research project, make sure you familiarize yourself with the research process and theories in your field. You need to understand what it means when they say it's a research problem or what are research questions. You need to be familiar with the literature review, data collection tools, and methodologies that you are able to use during your research. For example, are you going to do a qualitative research or a quantitative research? And do you have the skills to implement such a study? For example, if you are not a quantitative person, then it will be difficult to do a research project that employs quantitative approaches. So it's always important to be familiar with the methodologies that are applicable in your field and also the approaches that you can implement and analyze the data. So you need to read a lot around the topic or around the area you are interested in. So these are some of the tips that you need to consider when choosing a dissertation topic. You need to consider interest because you're going to spend a lot of time reading around the topic because some dissertations can take months or even years. So it has to be a topic that will sustain your interest and enthusiasm throughout that long period. And the topic must be unique in the sense that you don't want to duplicate other people's work. Hence the importance of reading around the topic, because at times we think that our ideas are new, yet maybe somebody else just completed a dissertation on that topic, or maybe it's an area that is widely researched such that maybe when you are doing your work you are already duplicating somebody else's work. So it has to be unique, and for you to establish the uniqueness, you need to read around the topic or the area or the problem you want to investigate. The topic should be very clear. Clarity is important because the topic must be clearly written so that it's understood. In some field or departments, usually they recommend on the number of words to be used for a topic. Then it has to be specific enough. It must not be too broad or too narrow. So you need to have a topic that kind of meet the requirements of your department, but at the same time specific enough to encompass all the research questions that you're going to be focusing on. The research topic must also be relevant to your field. That's why it's important to browse around within your field, identify gaps in knowledge, where your work will be situated so that it's relevant in your field. Most importantly is to look at feasibility, to say what you are proposing to do. Are you able to research around this topic? Ask yourself if it's possible that you can research and complete your study within your schedule. Because in some cases, maybe you are given 3 years or 2 years or months to complete a research or data collection. So you need to ask yourself, if I explore this topic, is it feasible? For example, suppose you want to do a topic in agriculture, you want to plant some crops. It has to be a time of the year where you can do all those activities. And also make sure that the topic is manageable. It means it's something that you are capable of accomplishing. You must have parameters of what you can do within that topic. So these are some of the tips on how to choose a dissertation or project or thesis topic. I hope you found this presentation to be useful. I wish you the best with your dissertation. Please check out on other videos related to Research 101 series on my channel.